How to make Game Pass on Roblox mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you make a Game Pass on Roblox mobile. So what you have to do is, actually you'll not be able to do it from your application. So you need to go ahead and use a version or the web version. So on the web address bar, type in roblox.com and log into your account. So this is going to be the roblox.com. Now click on a login button or click on continue in the browser. After which you simply want to go ahead and enter in the credentials. So once you are logged in from the browser version, click on create from the top right hand side corner of your screen. After which you simply want to go ahead and click on a tab bar icon and go to creations tab. As you go to creations tab, you want to select the place, and once you select the place, so here you want to click on creations. So once again, while you're on this section, click on the tab bar icon and go to passes. So here you have to go to monetization, go to passes, and then you have to simply go ahead and make sure to click on create a pass. After which it's the same procedure as how you do it on your PC. Go ahead and upload a photo, give a name, and then add a description as well. And once you've actually done it, so you want to click on the save button or click on create pass, and you've successfully created a pass. Likewise, if you want to keep it on for sale, then you have to click that out first of all, or just double click on it. It will then take you to this page. You want to go to basic settings and make sure to go ahead and enable the sale as well, or you could just click on try bar and go to sale, and here you could go and place the item for sale. And if you're sure about it, then you could go ahead and click on the save button, proceed, and that is the way you could go ahead and create or make a Game Pass on Roblox mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.